These pillowcases were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Woo! Right here, guys, right here. This is the NTbay body pillow cover. It's a microfiber pillowcase. This one happens to be the body pillow size. Big body pillow size pillowcase. Boom! Here it is. Oh yeah, it's solid. They make nice microfiber pillowcases that are breathable and sturdy. I mean, look at this pillowcase. Body pillowcase right here. Very solid. Boom, boom, boom. Strong pillowcase. Really strong right here. Very solid stitching. This is the inside of the stitching, and this is the outside of the stitching. A nice quality stitching right there. It's breathable. It's good breathable material. They use very good dye to color these things. You don't have to worry about the color fading. You can wash this and it won't fade. Nice material, microfiber, very soft, cozy pillowcase from NTbay right here. Very strong case. And they come in tons of color. NTbay pillowcase, body size, 100% microfiber. I love microfiber. Nice soft material, very cozy, perfect. It comes in a big size. It's perfect for my body pillow. Now, they come in many different sizes as well and many different colors. You have the standard size, the queen size, the king size, whatever size you want. They have a lot of different sizes for your pillow that you need. This is a very nice pillowcase designed with good craftsmanship, nice stitching right here, good breathable microfiber pillowcase. Comes in many different colors, many different sizes. This is a nice pillowcase. That is the NTbay pillowcase right here. Pillowcase, woo! Pillowcase, woo! Ah, yeah.